Dream Team, welcome to today's video. I have another Instagram store from where I purchased some really nice dainty earrings, and I of course had to share my experience with you guys. So I really hope you find this video helpful. और अगर आपको मेरे choices and मेरे recommendations पसंद आए तो please subscribe करो. कितने सारे लोगों ने subscribe नहीं किया है, so this is your moment to subscribe to my channel. And also मैंने ऐसे पास में भी videos किए हुए हैं, तो अगर आपको उसका playlist चाहिए तो वो भी मैं description में आपके लिए दे दूंगी. So yes, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. To start off with, I'm gonna pop the Instagram store right on the screen for you. It is coming from the house of Just Little Things, which first of all to start off with, I really like उनका Instagram page. काफ़ी active है वो, काफ़ी instantly आपको reply करते हैं आपकी queries के ऊपर. इनका खुद का website है जहाँ से मैंने खुद ने ये चीज़ें purchase की है. They constantly keep having some of the other sales here and there. Overall, it wasn't as cheap as your Amazon or your Meesho would be, but it wasn't as expensive as Ted Baker or Swarovski. It was a very reasonably priced, and by reasonably priced I mean हर item कुछ 200, 300, 400 रुपए का था, which I am all here for. So in terms of affordability काफ़ी accessible है, and giving जो इनका price range है, इनके पास काफ़ी anti tarnish, dainty wear accessories, काफ़ी options है उनके पास. Now you know me, I love to experiment only with my earrings, so that is exactly what I did even now. I've bought some earrings from them. The website is very user friendly, काफ़ी आसानी से आप आपका purchase कर सकते हैं. At the same time, when it comes to delivery, I got my products in like 3 days. Wow, 3 days. Yeah. 3 days is what it took me to get my product, which is amazing. I am Bombay based and मैंने weekday में ही अपने order को place किया था. So that was all the duration that it took me. Now let's move on to the package. I got this really beautiful package. It came with their own branding, which I am all here for. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे उन्होंने लिखा है Just Little Things. Ta-da! This is how everything came in. Yes, everything came in empty packages. Like, I got these empty packages and I'm like, what now? Now the thing is, जब भी आप small brand से purchase करते हो, I know they are not as professional, but वही उनका essence होता है कि you know they write small handwritten notes for you, or they just make the presentation so aesthetic कि आपको पूरा वो experience देते हैं. Somehow with this brand, I didn't get that, because what I got is a mini heart attack, because you know when you open a package worth I think 1800 या 1500 मैंने कुछ spend किया, and जब भी आपको ऐसे randomly empty packages मिलते हैं, it is kind of scary, okay? And ये packages में ना उन्होंने मुझे I could only see वो जो screw होता है पीछे का, बस वही दिया हुआ था, and I kind of freaked कि like where is my product? But मेरे items को ना उन्होंने बस ऐसे ही फेंक दिया था बॉक्स में. Can you see? Like, this was very shabby. This was very shallow. I did not like the experience. If anything, like I told you, थोड़ा mini heart attack सा भी आ गया. And for the longest time, I actually wanted to do like an unboxing and everything, but मैंने एक्चुअली ये मेरे ट्रिप के लिए मंगाए थे, तो मैंने इंस्टेंटली खोल दिया. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ दिस आई वाज काइंड ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटेड, एंड आई जनरली डोंट लाइक टू मेक नेगेटिव वीडियोस. तो मैंने काफ़ी देर तक इस वीडियो को डिले किया, बट देन एट द सेम टाइम वेरी ऑनेस्टली गाइज, इनके पीसेस काफ़ी सुंदर है. द डिज़ाइंस आर वेरी प्रिटी एंड एस्थेटिक, एंड इफ आई कीप एवरीथिंग असाइड, आइटम तो मिला ना मुझे, चीज़ें तो मिल गई. तो देन आई वाज लाइक, यू नो, maybe if they watch this video, I mean I'm talking about the store, maybe they can work on their shipping and their packaging in the future. But let's talk about the product, because this is the one pair of earring that I just could not resist, and मैंने instantly इसको पहन लिया, and मुझे इसके ऊपर compliments भी मिले. Like, this is just one of those earrings I can tell you जो हर चीज़ के ऊपर जाते हैं. And personally I wear a lot of gold items, so finding something diamond made which has a silver lining was very interesting, and it's just a very classy piece. I really liked it, and the fact कि मुझे compliments मिले ना, it kind of made my day. That's when I thought, you know what, I just have to sit down and make this video for you guys. So yes, without any further ado, let's jump right into all of the 4 pieces that I got from Just Little Things. Let's go. Alright, to start off with, let me talk about the product that I'm actually wearing. I want to take you guys a little closer. Wow, I took you far away then closer. But as you can see, I absolutely love this. It's so chic. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love the design, love the aesthetics, and yeah, this is how it looks like. इसका पीछे का स्टिक थोड़ा बेंड है, वो सीधा नहीं है, विच इज़ वाई इट लिटरली फेल ऑफ. वाओ. ओके, नाउ वन थिंग इज फॉर श्योर कि इन्होंने जो उनके स्क्रूज दिए पीछे लगाने के लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट है. एंड व्हेन आई ट्राई टू यूज दोज ऑन दीज वाला पेयर्स इट काइंड ऑफ बेंड देम. मतलब जब ये आए थे ये स्ट्रेट था इसका पीछे का जो स्टिक है, बट एज सून एज आई पुट द हुक, जो उनका पीछे का स्क्रू है वो इतना रबर का इतना टाइट था कि वो गिर गया. सो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर पेयर आई एम यूजिंग मेरा वाला स्क्रू, बट आई थिंक वो थोड़ा लूज है. So I think I should use the rubber wala screw that it came with. Let's do this again. हाँ, जो इनका वाला स्क्रू है जो रबर का है जो बहुत टाइट है वो ये पर्टिकुलर इयररिंग्स के लिए परफेक्ट है बिकॉज इट जस्ट स्नग्ड इन ब्यूटिफुली. लाइक कोई मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. So yeah, that's that. But I really like how this pair is looking on me. It's very beautiful. But as you can see, quality consistency काफ़ी poor है यहाँ पे because वो पीछे का stem है जिसके ऊपर पूरा आपका ring based है वो ही इतना bendy हो गया है that I wouldn't be comfortable having so much thought into it कि अच्छा कौन से earring के लिए मैं कौन सा screw यूज़ करूँ, उनका वाला यूज़ करूँ, मेरा वाला यूज़ करूँ, कौन सा वाला यूज़ करूँ. So that's a bit of a bummer. But again, like the design is so pretty. Also this particular earring now has a solid weight to it and I remember this being the expensive one out of the entire lot. If I'm not wrong, इसका मैंने कुछ 600 रुपया दिया था. हाँ, दिस इज़ फॉर 550 एंड 550 के हिसाब से मतलब वेट है, शाइन है, बट क्वालिटी कुड हैव बीन बेटर फॉर श्योर. But nonetheless, I really like it and I hope they're worth the money. I absolutely love the design. But yeah, this is how it's looking like with my hair open. Okay, moving on to the next design is this particular one on the screen. इसके मुझे इतने बार Instagram ads आ गए कि I got fed up and I gave in and I bought this because if you know anything about me, I am a hoops girl. I love my hoops. Like literally मेरे ड्रेसिंग टेबल पे there are just two types of earrings. एक ये पैटर्न का hoop है. If you want to know where I got this as well as this, ये थोड़ा रस्टी अभी हो गया है probably because I felt कि मैंने इसको ना काफ़ी देर तक मेरे ही डिश में रखा था with other metals, तो वो other metal and this kind of got rusty. But nonetheless, I mean this is my style. If you know Reena, you know she'll be with her hoops, and obviously I had to go ahead and get this really dainty pretty looking hoop for myself. It's very comfortable, it has a decent amount of weight, not too heavy in like a negative way but in a luxurious way. Like you know, this feels nice to my earring. It's not cheap, it's not flimsy. I will say ये दोनों को compare करके शायद से इसका weight होगा, you know, and it's looking very nice and polished. I love the gold plating that they have used. It's not cheap wala, it's a very good shine, high shine, and I think I'm going to be responsible and store my jewelry more responsibly than just keep all of the metals mixed in the dish. So yeah, that's just on me. But yeah, I absolutely freaking love this design. It looks so pretty. Like I can easily wear this in office or even just casual outing. It's just so dainty, so aesthetic. I absolutely love it. This is my fourth pair of earring. I absolutely love it. It's so chic, it's so elegante, if I may. Like it's very Reena, it's very polished, it's very I'm a sobo chick, I don't talk to non-sobo kind of vibe. Like I mean, this top is not helping the earring, but on its own very statementy, very classy. I absolutely love how it's even shaping, and it's not too long but not too short. It's just at my double jawline or double chin double jawline, wow, double chin level. So it's just perfect, it's elongating, it's perfect, it's beautiful, and this is how it's looking on me. Alright, that's a wrap. These were all of the purchases that I did from Just Little Things, my overall input about the whole experience is, to start off with, they have a really user-friendly interface, so no problems there. Pricing is quite reasonable. Like, you know, there are pieces that are for 500, but they do give you that quality in weight. But there are also some really nice dainty accessory options and designs that I've not seen otherwise, so that's really impressive. Definitely they could improve in their packaging. That's 100% not acceptable what they did, but you know, with that mini heart attack, I definitely deserve better. But nonetheless, it's a small company, I get it where they're coming from, but that's not an excuse, and hopefully they do better next time. With that being said, in terms of the quality of the product, it's a 50-50. like literally 4 में से 2 इयरिंग्स के जो पीछे का स्टेम था वो बेंडेड था, या फिर वो मेरे पास आने के बाद बेंड हुआ आफ्टर मी जस्ट वेयरिंग इट 2 times, बट बाकी के जो प्रोडक्ट्स 2 थे उनका बिल्कुल भी बेंड नहीं था, ना ही मेरे से बेंड हुआ. सो द quality is kind of 50-50, like thoda hit and miss hai, so it's kind of up to you. On a scale of 1 to 10, I think I will give them like a solid 6.5. That's where I'm at. I'm a little critical simply because जो मेरा पहले वाला experience था किसी और Instagram store के साथ, वो काफ़ी अच्छा था. If you want to see all of the things I picked up from there, I will leave the link in the description and up on the screen. But yeah, that's a wrap for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and please guys, subscribe kar lo. It's absolutely free. 80% of you are not subscribed. How do you think I'm going to be able to afford all of this shopping if you don't help me and support? So this is your moment to subscribe to my channel and hit on that bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below, and I will see you very soon. Until then, bye.